Hi, I'm glad you're here. If you're using AI tools like ChatGPT, but still getting generic hit or miss answers, this course is for you. In AI prompt engineering, from basics to advanced, you'll learn to design clear, structured prompts and build reliable workflows. I work with professionals under pressure to do more in less time, who often struggle to repeat good AI results. This course provides a step-by-step approach, turning prompt guesswork into a real, repeatable skill. You'll learn essential techniques like structuring prompts, assigning expert roles, and controlling output formats for precise answers. We'll cover advanced problem solving with chain-of-thought prompting and task decomposition for complex analysis. This course is for professionals, educators, and creators who want to use modern language tools effectively, no technical background needed. You'll learn through short lessons, practical demonstrations, and guided exercises, building a personal prompt library and workflows. By the end, you'll have a clear mental model and proven prompt patterns. Enroll now to build your prompt engineering toolkit.